Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn off Microsoft Defender. Okay? You might be here because you're trying to install an app or game, which is pretty sus. Okay? Now, to be able to turn off Microsoft Defender is that you just go ahead over to your search bar right here. Now type in Defender. Okay? Now, once this one pops up, Windows Security, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now in here, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Just click on it. Now go ahead over to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Okay, click on the blue button that says Manage Settings. Just click on it. Now in here, just go ahead and click on Real-Time Protection. Right here, we have this slider or toggle it off. Just click on it and there will be a prompt. Just hit on yes. And as you can see here, Windows Security or Windows Defender is now turned off. All right. Now, if you want to turn it on in the future, just go ahead and follow the same set of steps. Now go ahead and turn it on right here. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.